everybody. Today I will discuss about the alkaloidal drugs, which are included in your syllabus of the Pharm 5th semester, coming under the Unit 2 in Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 2. Vinca, periwinkle. Synonym is periwinkle and Vinca rosea. Sadabahar, we can say in his local language or general language. What is the source? That biological source? It consists of the dried leaves and aerial parts of the Catharanthus roseus family Apocynaceae. Since it contains the leaves and aerial parts, we have to describe some characteristics about the leaves. Leaves are shining and brilliantly dark green in color, which are opposite, oblong with acute base and rounded apex. Two types of flowers, either entirely white, pink to violet, or white colored corolla with red eye or red dye are generally found. Some mistakes are there, sorry. So chemical constituents, mainly indole derivatives like vincristine and vinblastine. These are the two main alkaloids which are present in vinca. Vinblastine contains indole alkaloid part called, you see, mainly contains indole and dihydroindole derivatives, because two parts are there, indole derivatives and dihydroindole derivatives. So vinblastine contains indole alkaloid part called catharanthine and dihydroindole part called vindoline. And so many other alkaloids are also present, and among those alkaloids, these are the four main alkaloids: asmalicin, serpentine, losnarine, and tetrahydroalstonine. Then if we consider, or if we see or evaluate by TLC, analysis by TLC, we prefer silica gel G plate, and we use solvent system like acetonitrile and benzene with a ratio of 30:70. We require a spraying agent, 1% solution of ferric ammonium sulfate in 85% of phosphoric acid, and during this study we get RF value of vincristine is 0.39. This is the standard one that is written in any official book uses. Both vincristine and vinblastine are anti-neoplastic agent. Means anti-neoplastic means it is anti-cancer, which acts by arresting mitosis at metaphase. This is the stage metaphase, the mitosis process metaphase, that will be arrested by this vincristine and vinblastine. It is given by IV in the treatment of acute leukemia of children. In adults, Hodgkin disease, lymphosarcoma and myosarcoma. These are all cancer. Sarcoma means cancer. Lymphosarcoma, cancer of the lymph nodes, like this. Okay. Then we see the next drug, that is belladonna. Synonym is deadly nightshade leaf, belladonna leaf. Biological sources, the belladonna consists of fresh or dried leaves and flowering tops of Atropa belladonna. This Atropa belladonna is European belladonna, and Atropa acuminata is Indian belladonna. Both are coming under the family Solanaceae. What are the characteristics of these leaves? The leaves are dull or yellowish green in color, flattened, curled, twisted, and often broken. They are petiolate, broadly ovate with entire margin and acuminate apex. Lamina means surface of the leaf, 5 to 25 cm long and 2.5 to 12 cm wide. Venation and rough surface are the important diagnostic characters of the leaves because these are main. If microscopical evaluation, in the microscopical evaluation, you will see that venation and rough surface are the important diagnostic characters of the leaves. Flowers have colored pedicel. So in the microscopical evaluation, we can know the purity of the drug belladonna leaf. Now the chemical constituents, what are the constituents or what are the chemicals agent present in their belladonna? Mainly it is a tropane alkaloid. Leaves have up to 1% or more alkaloids, out of which 3/4 is hyoscyamin, that is levose hyoscyamin, while remainder constitutes atropine. 3/4 is hyoscyamin and other is atropine. Other contains small proportion of hyoscyamin, apotropine, belladonnine and scopolamine that can be analyzed by TLC method. For this TLC method, silica gel G plate is prepared and 2N acetic acid is required to dissolve atropine because atropine is, as I told you earlier, that atropine, simple atropine means it is a base, not a alkaloidal, it's a alkaloidal base, not atropine sulfate or atropine hydrochloride or atropine phosphate like this. It is not there. Only atropine in order to dissolve it. Acetic acid or organic acid is required. 2N acetic acid is required to dissolve atropine for making 1% solution. Solvent, what solvent system is used? Strong ammonia solution and methanol with a ratio of 1 is to 1.5 is to 100, means 1.5 ml. Suppose strong ammonia solution is taken and 100 ml of methanol is taken. Here spraying agent is taken as acidified iodoplatinate solution. So after the estimation, after the analysis by TLC, we conclude about the atropine shows RF value 0.18 and atropine sulfate, you see atropine simple atropine having RF value 0.18, but atropine sulfate RF value is 0.70 in this solvent system. Here atropine sulfate, you have seen earlier that only atropine is taken and for dissolving atropine 2N acetic acid is required, but here solvent system is different. Acetone 0.5 m, sodium chloride and spraying agent with drag and drops reagent, it gives atropine sulfate RF value is 0.70. Then chemical test for the identification of belladonna. Dilute solution of atropine when treated with concentrated nitric acid and the mixture evaporated to dryness on the steam bath produces a pale yellow residue. This residue gives a violet coloration when a drop of freshly prepared potassium hydroxide solution is added. This is also known as Vitali-Morin reaction, because in the Vitali-Morin reaction, this is the process that the dilute solution of atropine, because atropine is not soluble in water, but in order to make it soluble, some organic solvent, maybe acid, is taken when treated with concentrated nitric acid and the mixture evaporated. This is concentrated nitric acid mineral acid. This is it is just taken and treated with concentrated nitric acid. The mixture evaporated to dryness on a steam bath produces a yellow residue, pale yellow residue. The residue gives a violet coloration when a drop of freshly prepared potassium hydroxide solution is added. Next is uses of belladonna. This is a parasympathetic drug. This is a parasympathetic drug, sympathetic, parasympathetic, sympathomimetic and sympatholytic, parasympatholytic, like this, because it is related to autonomic nervous system and peripheral nervous system. A parasympathetic drug with anticholinergic property. Cholinergic and anticholinergic. Here you should know the difference between anticholinergic and cholinergic property. Used to reduce the secretions like sweat, because this anticholinergic means they always reduce the secretions like sweat, saliva, gastric juice, and reduce spasm in case of intestinal gripping due to strong purgative. So when strong purgative is being taken in order to get relief from the constipation, so it will produce gripping. So in order to reduce the intestinal gripping, this is being taken. And in pancreatitis and in the treatment of peptic ulcer, it is also used as an antidote in opium and chloral hydrate poisoning. Thank you a lot for watching the video, lengthy video patiently. Thank you all.